Happy Wednesday fashion vlog everyone! So today's Wednesday, it means it's a fashion vlog and today's video is we gonna do unboxing. I received this box, especially this box is my husband ordered something for me, so I don't know what is it, but I have idea what is that. And this one is the top, and I went to Levi's store in Philippines. Actually, this is from Philippines. So, at the Levi's store there in Okada Hotel. So, come on guys, let's start to do unboxing. And first thing that we're gonna do, this one is, as I believe is I did this already, but I'm gonna partner this, the one that I buy from the Levi's store. So this is the top. See, it's a very small one. It's 70 weekend. That's what it see here, the brand. So I don't really know what kind of brand is that, but that's what it see there. And it's look like so nice. So let's see when I'm gonna try it on later. So it's gonna be like that. And then let's start to open this. Because this is from Philippines, but now I cannot open it because of the There you go guys. I'll do my best. So here we come. Oh, this is so cute. So I even still have this. It says Conrad Manila. I don't know why I have that here. So, this is the baggy shorts. Look at that. So I think when I went to Manila is I have a short. I use all of my shorts. You know, in Philippines is very humid. So this is the one guys, and I like it. It's so soft, and it's say here size 25. Let's see if still gonna fit to me because as I know I gain my weight. And this is the one guys that I'm excited for because this one is my husband gift for me. So let's see what is gonna be here. So I do it this one already. I open it this one here. Oh, here we come guys. See, I even cut the box. It's a hoka. This is gonna be for my gym shoes. See, this is the one. It's so cute and so nice. Look at that. Look at the hoka design. I love it. I don't have this kind of color. I have some hokas, but I don't have this kind of color. And this is the one also. Wow, it's so nice. It's a Clapton. It's a Clapton thin. So that's what it see there. Wow, I love it. Thank you, hubby, for buying me shoes, especially for my gym or walking shoes. So this is how the waist look like guys. This is my shoes. This is the baggy shorts from Levi's. And I just partner one of my Michael Kors purse. So if in Paris is they have a fashion week, I have a house fashion week here in my house. So That's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like it my video, my mini unboxing today. So, by the way guys, every Wednesday I always promote my channel. Monday is about food, restaurant, and whatever we cook here in our house. Wednesday is my fashion vlog, unboxing, shopping, and whatever collection that I have in my closet. And Friday is about travel vlogs, adventures, wherever we go, which places we go, or which country we gonna go. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like it my video. See you soon.